Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I'm going to teach banking application step by step part 7 tutorial. In our last tutorial we saw how to create the table of customers. We created successfully in our last tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the account table. Okay, let's move to our database part. Here click on the database. Here first, before entering the database table name, you have to calculate the columns, how many fields we need. Account field we need one account field, customer ID, account type, and description and balance. It consists of 5 fields we need. So let's move to here and we have to enter 5 here. Here let's tell the name as account. So account order account. Okay, here click go. Here first field is account ID, so here short form AC ID. Account ID, it's not a auto increment part. Okay, here we have to code this one. Okay, account ID, here customer ID, this ID taking from the customer table. Here another one, account type, ACC type, and another important field which is a description. Account description. Here you have to enter the balance. That's it. That is the fields are there. The amount which are going to enter. Okay. Here you can see. You have to double check these columns before going to save. Okay, so you have to double check your Word file and double check this one. This will be the must. After that, if all the necessary fields are correct, you can hit save button and save it. Okay, now you successfully save 2 tables. You have created the database successfully. After that, you have created the 2 tables successfully. One is account, another one is customers. Okay, as well. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go back to my design form. Here I'm going to design the form. So first I need one, how many labels we need, we have to calculate. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag one tab control, because this form design consists of 2 tabs. One is for customer details, another one for account details. Okay, here this kind of 2 things. Okay, one is customers, another one is account. Okay, the same thing I'm going to create the form also. So go back to our toolbox. First I'm going to get one tab control on the toolbox. Here this will be the tab control. You just drag on your form, look like this. You have to size it which you want. Okay, you just size like this. We increase the form like that. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is I have 2 tab controls, tab 1 and tab 2. Here tab 1, here what I'm going to do is here tab 1, I'm going to design the customer details. These relevant columns I'm going to design here. customer ID we no need because it's a auto increment part. Another 8 fields are we are going to enter these 8 fields here. Okay, expert accept customer ID. Okay, now go back to my toolbox and 1 label control 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So to arrange them in the order. When you drag the label on the form, you can notice that there will be the blue line. It is automatically arranging the order here. What is the alignment you are expecting here? The same order it will be automatically arranging here. Let's like this. Simple. Now let me change the name here. This one will be last name. So let's copy and paste. This will be easy to complete the project easily. Last name. This one will be the first name. This one will be the street. This one will be the city. This one will be the state. Label 6. I will change the text. Phone. Label 7. Date. Can write. This one will be email. Successfully enter the fields. Now what I'm going to do is select all the relevant name fields here and increase the font size a little bit bigger. So go to the property which is a font. On the property window, click on the font property. You can get the dialog blocks of font based on the font. Here you can, the default size will be 8. You can select the size which you want. Let me change as 10. Okay, it's perfect. If you want, you can bold it. Okay, so leave it as default. Okay, like that. Okay, now we need relevant text boxes. So go back to our toolbox and we need 8 text boxes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The 8th one will be the last one. Here you can notice that this one will be the 8. You have to arrange them in the order like that. This one will be the date. Instead of putting the text box, let me change as a date picker. Okay, that is a good stuff. Let me delete this one. Another text box I am going to input. This one will be 66. This one will be text box 5. This one will be text box 4. Text box 5. Text box 6. Text box 2. This one will be the last name, first one. This is a first name, first text box, first text box 1. Name will be text box 1. Now let me change the name. Okay, before change the name, I need one control I didn't put here. That one will be, I'm going to select as a date picker. This already date picker is available here. You just pick here, pick the toolbox here and put on the form here. This date will be automatically climbing like this. Okay, now it's perfectly arranged. Now I need two buttons. One is a save and cancel. Okay, let's put into here. Small that. Arrange them, align them perfectly. Okay, nice. Now I need two buttons. One is a save, another one is a cancel. Here I'm going to the toolbox again. I'm going to get two buttons. One is a save, another one is a cancel. You have to arrange them like that. Okay. Easily you can delete this one. You select the button and take a copy of that. That is easy stuff. Here, button 2, it automatically come. Here it's easy. Get one and take a copy. Okay, instead of drag and drag, it's take too much time for that. Save. This one will be save. This one will be exit. It consists of two buttons. One is a save and one is exit. Okay, I hope you guys understood so far. Now let's moving to our tab 2 here. Click on this tab 2 here. Tab 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to what are the fields, relevant fields here. I'm going to create this one: account ID, account type, description and balance. This one we no need to create because this auto increment, the same ID it is entered here. Okay, you no need to create the account table customer ID field. Okay, this is always a auto increment part. Okay. Now here, how many fields you are going to create? You have to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to create only 4 fields are there. So we need 4 labels only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here arrange them in the order. Okay, now here let's change the name as account ID or account number. Okay, that is your wish. Account number. This one will be account type, description. Account type. Another one will be account type, description. Another one is a balance. Okay, now what I'm going to do is select all and increase the font size of the font size. Let's select as 10 and click OK. Okay, it's perfectly change the font styles. Now what I'm going to do is go and drag 4 relevant text boxes field. So go back to my toolbox and drag 4 text boxes here. 4, 1, 2. Let me increase the size of that. The description, you have to always, description will be multi-line, not single line text box, because that will be the long text. Okay, rich text. When you enter in the rich text, you have to make it as a multi-line text box. Okay, otherwise you have to drag on the rich text box control. If you don't like to click on the multi-line text box, here the rich one text box also there. Here this one will be the rich text box. Okay, both are possible. Okay, now account type. Here account type you have to, okay, account type you have to like this. you have to like here account type, let me this one. Instead of the text box control, we have to put one checkbox control, because that is will be multiple saving or fix. Okay, account type, two account types are there. One is a saving, another one is a current, fix. Okay, so we have to drag on, instead of the text box, drag one combo box. If it is a multiple choice, you can enter two things here, saving, another one is a fix. Click OK. That's it. Now I need one things, that's the account part. Okay, that's it. Okay, I successfully designed two tabs. One is this is the customers, this one for accounts. Okay, let's go to let's link this form. So when you click this button, the form will be displayed on the center here. So double click on this account creation form. Here you have to write like this, name of the form ACCC. You no need to write all the name account. You have to simply get account creation here. This is the name of the form. You have to make an object as account. So whatever name you have to make here, give here new and account creation. This is how you have to create the object. Use this new keyword account. Now account dot show means this form will be show, account creation form will be show. Now another thing is this form show at the center, so click on this form here and start position, not Windows default location, make it as center so that it's perfectly fit on the screen. So it's perfectly come as at the center. Okay, not fit on the screen, come as a center. Okay, let's run and see what will be the output it is. Okay, now let's enter the username and password. Loading, system has been loading. After that, here is a menu creations. If you click on this account creation table here, the nice user interface will be open here. This nice user interface will be open perfectly. Okay guys, I hope you understood so far. If you have any doubt,